In this video, we will use algebra tiles on an expression mat to help us simplify expressions. Remember, with algebra tiles, the colored side is positive and the red side is negative. Remember, an expression mat has a positive region and an opposite region. The opposite region is shown with a negative on the outside of the parentheses. Whenever you see a negative on the outside of the parentheses, that means go to the opposite region. So what makes 0 exactly? Well, if you have opposite tiles in the same region, those will add to give you 0. Or if you have the same tile in opposite regions, because this is x and then the opposite of x, which would make 0. When we look to simplify an expression, first thing I like to do is get everything into the positive region because the opposite region can be confusing. So here I have my 3x, and then this negative on the outside of the parenthesis means go to the opposite region and build 2x plus 4. So the first thing we want to do is flip those tiles from the opposite region to the positive region to make it easier for us to simplify the expression. Now that we've done that, you see we have our 3x. Notice when we flipped the 2 positives, they became 2 negatives. And when we flipped the 4 positives up from the opposite region, they became 4 negatives. Now I want to see if I can remove any 0 pair. The positive and negative x, I can take away and circle to show they make 0, or just remove them from the expression mat completely. Now I have a simplified equivalent expression of x minus 4. Use what you know about simplifying expressions on an expression mat to build this expression, flip tiles from the opposite region, then make zeros to simplify the expression.